Welcome everybody back to my channel. Let's learn with Anhad. So today I'm going to go through the verbal reasoning type 1, which is letter codes. So this is the alphabet written properly, and this is the alphabet written backwards. You don't need to worry about the backwards part just yet. So if the code for care is DBSF, then what is the code for fair? So what we have to do is because they're asking for the code, we have to write the word first. So I'll show you. Let me just make that better. There you go. Okay, DBSF. Okay, so it's all written like this underneath each letter. I left a gap in there because I'm going to tell you why. So we're going to try to find the difference between C and B. C and D. What's the difference? C and plus 1 is D. So for the first one is plus 1. Then A to B, that's again plus 1. And R to S, that's plus 1 again. And E to F is plus 1. So that's the pattern. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So now you write your word fair. So yeah, there's the word fair. And then you write this pattern out underneath it. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, and plus 1. Okay. So F plus 1 is U. No, sorry. F plus 1 is G. And A plus 1 is B. And I plus 1 is J. And R plus 1 is S. So that is our code, GBJS. Now let's just check inside. Let's check inside the answer options if GBJS is inside there. So WDSR, QLMP, TREG, and there you go, GBJS, and that is the answer to this question. Okay. So I'll go through this one and get this one too, just so you know that, so you get the understanding of it. So, it says if the code for bear is ECCP, then what is the word for EYTC? It wants us to find the word. So this time, because last time it was telling us the code, it was asking us to write the code. Now we have to give the word. So we write the code first, and then the word. Okay, that's a B, by the way. Okay, so now we have to find the difference between E to B, which is 1, 2, 3, minus 3. And then C to E is 1, 2, plus 2. It doesn't matter if it's not repeating. It doesn't matter if all these things are not repeating. It's just very different, because that is the code for getting the answer. You have to just copy that same code, the same steps into your other one. So C to A is minus 2, and P to R is plus 2. So our steps are minus 3 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2. So now we have to write our code given that's a Y, EYTC TC. Just do that. And now we have to write the steps. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 2, and plus 2. So E minus 3 is 1, 2, 3. B. And y plus 2 is 1. Okay, so if you ever run out of the alphabet like this, it actually doesn't matter. You just think as if the alphabet repeats itself again. Starts at A again. So, and same thing if you're minusing from there, then add a Z there and stuff like that. Like that. So, now we know y plus 2 is A. And t minus 2 is R. And c plus 2 is E. So the answer is bear. B-A-R-E. Okay. So now it's time for you to test all these new skills that you learnt on 2 questions. Pause the video and take as much time as you need. Okay, here are the answers. So the answer to the first question is SFZN. So how we solve this is we know that the code for nice is MGBF. We have to try to find the code for team. So we write because we're asked to find the code, we're going to write the word first. Okay, okay, so N to M is -1. I to J is +1. C to B is -1. And E to F is +1. So that's a simple pattern. -1, +1, -1, +1. So now we copied the steps out for the word team. And -1, +1, -1, and +1. Okay, so T -1 is S. E +1 is F. Sorry. Okay, and A -1 is, because you ran out of alphabet, put a Z over there. So yeah, A -1 is Z. And M +1 is N. So that's why the answer to your first question is SFZN. And for the second one, the answer is lead, because it's asking the code. It's asking us the word, not the code this time, and it's telling us that the code for lime is NLJA. And we have to try to find the word for YEIW. Okay, so because they're asking us for the word, we have to write the code first. NLJA, and then LIME. Okay, so N to L is -2. L to I is -3. J to M is 1, 2, 3 +3. And A to E is 1, 2, 3, 4 +4. So the pattern is -2, -3, +3, +4. So now we have to use the same code over here, -2, -3, +3, +4 on the code NHXZ. So NHXZ. Okay. So now I have to do -2, -3, +3, and +4. Okay, so N-2 would be 1, 2, L. H minus 3 is 1, 2, 3, E. X plus 3 is 1, 2, X, add extra letter there, 1, 2, 3, A. And Z plus 4 is, okay, A, C, D, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 is D. And that's why the code, that's why the word for the code NHXC is lead. And that is how you do letter codes. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe.